I'm going to teach how to use printer setting. So now we go to data, printer setting here. Here is a printer list, and all the printer will list out here. You can add the new printer. It's like printer name, just BP3. How many copy I print, and IP. Just if you got, just key in the IP and save. Then the new pin, the item will be shown here by the IP item select. Now you can select this 3 item, just check update. So just go back. So this is your new printer here, and this is IP. Then you can view. You can select the item under this printer. So if you want to delete, just check this delete. The record will be deleted by printer, and this is how to use the printer setting. Thanks for watching.